Ay, cup of oil. Hey! Whoa! Wow, just made it. We need onion juice. We're gonna strain it. Probably could put the minced onion in, but it said onion juice. Should we just use this? No. I don't know what to do. We just need half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of onion juice? Let's not skimp. Okay. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. It's the 20s. We're not watching our sodium. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Look, it's falling down. Look. Oh, what's it do? Oh, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Aye. Hi! It says a speck of cayenne. We do not have any. Should we put a dash of Tabasco? Let's put a dash of Tabasco. I'm just gonna put a dash. A drop or two. Oh! Okay. The lid on. Make a tighter seal. Alright, here we go. Go! Hi! That's too long. I can't shake it for 3 minutes. Come on! I'm too old. I can't do it. 3 minutes? Come on. I'm gonna make it 2 minutes. Oh my god. You know what? That's not easy. It is not easy to shake it for 3 minutes. You know, okay, here's the story. When I was a kid, my parents traveled a lot. And we were at a restaurant in Mexico. And I had a green salad with what I believe was a French dressing. And I've never been able to duplicate it, but I think it's just like this. It's a little mustardy, a little peppery, and I have a feeling that this is going to taste just like it. Holy moly! I thought of buying French dressing, or I made a Kraft dressing from 1954. Link above. It's my favorite French dressing. I wanted to make this dressing because it was in... Holy crap. It was in the book. We can't eat the salad today because we've got to marinate the onions in sugar. I'm going to try this, though. Okay. All right, we're almost there. Holy moly, my arm is going to hurt tomorrow. Have you tried shaking for 3 minutes? I can't do it, man. All right, almost there. Almost there. Almost. Oh, come on. Okay. Wow. Holy moly. We have to taste it. Now, you're supposed to shake it again when you're ready to serve it. Let's see if this reminds me of the dressing I had as a kid. All right, pull back a little. Okay, here we go. I thought it was going to be too salty, but I don't think it is. Oh, this just... Wow! This might be the closest I've come. Let's get another spoon. I don't want to contaminate this. I don't want to contaminate it with my saliva. All right. Wow, this is 1924, I think. French salad dressing number 2. It's delicious. Shit! They're really soft.
Good Thursday! Yeah, we're doing an onion and orange salad. I didn't know that was a thing. Did you know that was a thing? Onion and orange salad? Orange and onion salad? I didn't know that. If you Google it, there's tons. But this is from 1924 and it's a little different. We put sugar on the onions overnight. That's going to be a little weird. Sweet onions. But I think sweet onions with the French dressing might be quite good. I don't know. If I do this again, I'll cut the onions a little thicker because it really makes them tender. Who knew? Sugar! The original recipe calls for Bermuda or Spanish onions. We've got Vidalia and red, and I should have cut them thicker, but I've never done this before. They're very tender. They may fall apart. It's okay. We've got some romaine. It says serve it on lettuce. It's always a little difficult making things look pretty. We just layer it around. Do you want to do 4? Do 4. That's pretty. Oh no! Oh, good thing the coffee was empty. Oh, can I peel them off? Look! Oh, we can make... How do we do this? Oh! They're so tender. Oh gosh, they're like... Red? Red? Oh, how cool! Red? Oh, that's a big one. We'll put that there. It didn't say to put them in the fridge. But obviously I wasn't going to leave it out on the counter overnight. And it's still just, No, I really have to try one. Let's see. Red onion. Sugar overnight. Let's try it. Quite oniony. And it's sweet. That's very interesting. French dressing number 2. Let's pour it into the bowl. Very exciting! We probably could have put that in a blender. But it was 1924. Very excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm not going to skimp on the dressing. Get an onion and an orange. Hey! Orange and onion salad from 1924. That's pretty exciting. Here we go. It is sweet. Let's try this again. Very tangy. I'm going to put a little bit more on. I can't have enough. I can add more onions. Ow. Oh, I'm in... Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! That was a big one. Hey, where'd it go? Okay, onion. Lettuce. I wonder how traditional the red French dressing would be on this. I think it needs a little salt, and that's weird. But it is sweet. Of course, oranges are sweet, but I thought the dressing would have more effect. This is kind of fun. The Priscilla cookbook. from 1924. I think it's delicious. Let's just try one without the onion. See if we get the dressing coming through. Yes, we do. Boy. The French dressing with oranges and lettuce alone would be delicious. Cut this orange in half. Got our onion and some romaine. Thanks for joining me this orange and onion salad. Thanks for joining me this onion and orange salad Thursday from 1924. Oh yeah. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching. Ciao.